In this video, you'll learn the basic components of song arrangement that's tailored specifically for beginner music producers with no music experience. This is a clip from week 3 of my 9-week Track Builder Bootcamp. If you are interested in getting a free playback of the week 2 webinar, go ahead and type create in the comments below. All right, here's the video. All right, so first we're going to cover the basics of song structure and arrangement. An arrangement is, in its simplest form, simplest terms, refers to the way in which things or elements are organized, ordered, or set up. So think of, there we go. Imagine you have a bunch of flowers. You can arrange them in different ways to create a beautiful bouquet, like the one over here. It's the same way with music. So here are some of the most common sections that you'll see when it comes to arranging a song. So you'll see a verse, intro, pre-chorus, which is often called a build-up in certain genres like electronic dance music. Then you've got your chorus, your bridge, and your outro. So first, in this course, we'll mainly be covering the verse and the chorus, specifically in this particular song, class. So I don't know why this is going automatically for me, but we're just gonna let it happen. The purpose of a verse is to tell the story, introduce details, or build tension. And then you'll notice within the melody of a verse, it's subtle and less intense than the chorus. And then we won't really be covering lyrics, but this might help you identify when listening to music in the future. You'll notice that the lyrics, the words of the song, focus on storytelling or scene setting. And then the instrumentation, which is the musical portion of the song for our purposes, is pretty simple and provides a foundation. It almost warms listeners up and hypes people up for the actual chorus. And it usually lasts 8 to 16 measures. Now, chorus, the purpose is to emphasize a main idea or hook of the song. A hook, it's the part of a song that sticks in your mind and you find yourself repeating even after the song is over. So one that I'm thinking of is Rewrite the Stars. Like, why don't we rewrite the stars? I don't really know the lyrics after that, but once I hear Rewrite the Stars, like, I know exactly what we're talking about. And I sing that like hourly. So then with the melody for a chorus, it's memorable, repetitive, and emotionally powerful. This is where motifs really come in handy in making that song catchy. And then the lyrics are simple and focused on the song's theme. So how the verse kind of set it up and gave the storytelling, the chorus kind of hones in specifically on the main part of the story, what they want the audience to remember. And then instrumentation, there's just more layers and more energy compared to the verse because it's more hype. If you listen to like dance music, like the what you might hear in clubs or things like that, you'll find that the chorus portion, also known as the drop in those genres, is a lot more hype. That's where you just really feel it. Okay, and then it usually lasts 8 to 16 measures as well.